Hey everyone, welcome to Custom DIY. In this series we will learn Arduino step by step. Today we are not doing coding yet. First we learn the parts. These small parts can build a real project. So here's the Arduino R4 WiFi. It is the brain of the projects. It has built-in Wi-Fi, built-in LED matrix. It has Wi-Fi Bluetooth and its name is Arduino R4 WiFi. It can run code and control everything. Now we have breadboard. This is a breadboard, everyone knows it. It is used to connect circuits, no soldering needed. There are some options that require soldering, but this is not the soldering one, as you can see. Then we have some jumper cables. They connect into breadboard and Arduino to help the connections neatly. We can do with connections neatly. Then we have battery snap. This connects the battery to the circuit. Then we have resistors. There are multiple types of resistors. We will talk about this later in the videos. So this is a resistor, everyone knows. It controls current, it protects power, like LEDs. Now LEDs. So we have different type of them. They light up when we power them. It's the rainbow one. Then we have yellow color. Then we have blue color. Then we have red color. I have many of them. Then we have diodes. Yeah. Current flows only one way with this. Then we have capacitor. It stores energy and give it back, as you can see. Then we have transistor. This works like a switch. Arduino can control it. It's very simple. It has 3 legs to control it. We will use it later in the video too. Then we have motor driver IC. This is a motor driver IC, as everyone know. It is used to control motor speed, direction. Arduino can't directly control the motors, so we need this to control it. Now, Optocoupler. This sends signals using light, no direct connection needed, so it's very safe. Now we have push buttons, as everyone know, push button. When we press, it sends signals. Then we have potentiometer. This is a potentiometer. It's like a dial. Okay. Now we have temperature sensor. It reads temperature, and we can make many projects with it. Next we have phototransistor. It reads light. Then we have tilt sensor. This detects movement or tilt. There is a metal ball inside. Then we have Piezo. This makes sound. Then we have servo motors. This moves to a fixed angle and helps in many precision projects. Then we have a DC motor. This spins. When we put currents on the terminals, it spins. Then we have liquid crystal display called as LED. This shows text and numbers. It's very simple. We have these male header pins. This will help connect the parts. So yeah. Then now what I want to tell you is, see, Arduino is the brain, sensor are the input. Okay, LED and motor are output. Wire connects everything. So it's just simple. So next we will install Arduino software, Arduino IDE, and then we connect the board. Then we make an LED blink. So we will do it in next video. So if you like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.